first recording as we head south on the sailing vessel Prudence, leaving the Chesapeake Bay and Annapolis behind on October 3rd. We left in a foggy morning and it turned out to be a great day. We're motor sailing Chesapeake style into Solomon's Island, where we're going to drop the hook for the first night.
I'm a shepherd for you, and I'll guide you through. Let me be your everlasting light. Let me be your everlasting light. I'll hold and never scorn. You can confide when no one's by your side. Let me be your everlasting light. Oh baby, can't you see it's shining just for you? Loneliness is over. Dark days are through. Let me be your everlasting light. A tree growing away from pain. Love is the code that makes this train roll. Let me be your everlasting light. Let me be your everlasting light. Let me be your everlasting light. Be your everlasting light. Running out of faith. Be careful who you tell. I'm running out of faith. Be careful who you tell. Whoa, whoa. It's blackening my name. The army never came. There's water under the bridge. Be careful who you tell. Oh, 'cause you gotta look up in the eye. And you gotta love your way of life. 'Cause you gotta go deep through the soul. Don't you know it's out of your control? Whoa, it's blackening my name. I know you feel the same.
Alright, we're on our way down to Charleston and just trying to cook some dinner. Got some soup and grilled cheese on the stove. And it's a little bit more work when you're on a sailboat trying to stay balanced and not fall over and not spill your dinner. So it's a bit of a chore, but it's nice to have a warm meal.
And you gotta love your way of life. 'Cause you gotta go deep through the soul. Don't you know it's out of your control? Whoa. Have quick wings, gaining momentum fast. 1 minute I am fine, the next I've lost my mind to a fake fantasy. None of these thoughts are real, so why is it that I feel so cut up and so bad? I need to take control.